Today, I'm checking out this commercial ice maker. It's a great little ice maker for in your kitchen, in your home, in a mini bar. Maybe if you have a connection out in your garage to have ice readily available. It makes about 100 pounds of ice per day, and it can hold about 26 pounds inside of its ice bin. So we're gonna get this thing unwrapped. I already took all the boxes off of it and everything because it's just a big box, but it does have this protective film on it. So I'm gonna get that all off and I'm gonna get this installed and get it to making ice and see how it does. The accessories it does come with is your drain hose, which is gonna be definitely required for this to operate correctly. An ice scoop. It's your water connector for connecting it to your water outlet. The one that they sent has a 1/2-inch connection. That was way too big for what I have here in my house. So I had to run to the local hardware store and pick up this one. So you wanna make sure to have one that fits for the size water outlet you have in your house. You just wanna make sure that the tip is one of those push-ins that's a 1/4 inch in size. It has the 1/4 inch water hose and instructions. So let me show you how to get this thing set up and running. On the back of the unit, you have your water inlet and your water outlet or your drain. To connect your drain, you're just gonna take this end of your drain hose, which is a little bit bigger, and we're just gonna push that on right there, just like that. And for the watered side of the hose, there's this little clip. You're gonna pop that clip off, then you're going to push your hose in until it slides all the way in and replace the clip like so. I'm not gonna be able to get a good video of putting all the connections on because they're hidden inside that cabinet and I just can't get a good angle and get everything connected. But it's fairly simple. You're going to take the appropriate adapter for your water and you're going to screw it onto your water connection, and then you'll take your water connection and push it in. Now this one doesn't have a clip on it, this one's pressure, but that's good. And you can see this just twist already, so I don't have to take that back off. I'll just go and connect that onto there and then run this to my drain. And we will get this thing, start getting it installed. Go, power up here. All right. Now that I've got it where I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this protective film off that it shipped with. And this is a really good protective film here. I almost thought they sent me a white one and then realized what was going on. I think it's a pretty good looking ice maker. Now let's get it to making some ice. You just turn it on and let it go into make ice. We'll come back here in a little bit and check on it and check out the ice it's made. Now we've got some ice made. Pretty simple, you just plug everything in and then just press go and it just takes off from there. And you can make some adjustments on it, how long you want the ice to freeze and whatnot, but I just left it all the defaults. So I already turned the light on, you just pull this out and there's your ice and ice maker. It's got all these nice little bricks of ice like this right here. It's got a pretty big panel there to make the ice in. And that's pretty much it. You've got a little spot to put your scoop, and we can get us a couple of pieces of ice here. And add a glass of water. And there we go. Nice and fresh. Nice ice. So if you're in the market for a good commercial ice maker for your office or your house, your kitchen, I'd definitely check this one out.